happened. So why is the answer? Why? Question. This tells us the reason behind that incident. Reason. Then who? Who was tells about the person. Who was the person? Who were the company? Who was the organization? Who organized that event? Okay. Then how? How it happened. It is very more descriptive. It tells a complete detail about that incident, about happening, complete information about the issue, any development, any event, how that event happened. That event was very great. Who, and who tells who was invited, who were organized that, and Delhi University organized the event. So who answers that and how it happened? It tells about us the great, various descriptive thing. Like we can answer that it was very awesome. It was organized by many various peoples, and it happened. And those peoples were organized, and lots of students were there. And we can explain a lot of things in how. कैसे हुआ ये event? Who were the partners? कैसे कौन था कहाँ? There lots of answers to this how question. Next is what points makes the news? First is immediacy and timeliness. This is the most important point. Immediate. Any news that is, any happening that is immediate, that is on the current, any current thing happened. Any immediate, if any event or any happening happened in the past or for 4 days before, that will not be the more important news. That will not be the most important information. Anything just happened today, today in early morning, like last night. So immediacy, timeliness, time is most important. Currentness is most important. Immediate happening is most important. News should be immediate. It should be current. Second point is proximity. Proximity makes the news. Anything happened very near to us, very close distance to us, that is will be the news. Anything happened very far, that will be less important instead of anything that happened very near to us, very distant, close distance to us, in our own state, in our own city. That is the proximity. How much distanced from us that thing happened. Second point is consequences or impact on large population. Anything, any information, an incident that has impact or consequences on large population, on lot of people, has its impact. It affects the large number of people. It has big consequences, like the war, any incident, any happened between two countries. It has large consequences. Any bombing, any attack, any terrorist attack, it impacts a large population. So it will be the news. Second point is prominence. Prominence means a news of any prominent person, news of any celebrity. If anything happens in the house of Shah Rukh Khan, it will be the news. If anything happens in a common person's home, it will be the news, not be the news. If a marriage, like for a big example, the marriage of Anand and Radhika Ambani, that marriage was the news because they are the prominent persons. If a marriage happens in our near and dear ones, that will not be the news. If any marriage happen in Ambani family, that is the news. So prominence is the big thing. Next is drama. Like a big question is drama. Drama is what we say, any theatrical event, any drama, any incident, a broad event which affects a lot of people, which impacts a lot of people. It attracts a lot of people. Drama is that. Any big anything happen, a lots of people surrounded through it, and a drama is created. So that will be the news. And the point is oddity and unusualness. Odd. Anything odd happens, anything unusual happen, anything unique happen that we can't think it will happen. That is beyond our thinking. So oddity and unusualness is something unique. Next point in this is characteristics of the news. What are the characteristics of the news? First is accuracy. In news, every news should have the accuracy. It should be accurate. It should have